Your Excellency, you know it's not all leaders who have the courage to do what you're doing. Yesterday, many of the leaders walilala hapa jana because waliambiwa unakuja and we need to be early. So when we met at the lounge hapo first floor where we were sleeping, kulikuwa na watu walikuwa wameonja kidogo. Waliposikia tunakuja mkutano leo, one of them told us, na kabla muanze mkutano, muulize Mutudho pahali kupigana na pombe ilimfikisha. So, and I see a number of those leaders hawajakuja kwa mkutano leo. So, he tells you it needs courage to be in this meeting. So, I want to celebrate the leaders wale wamekuja. Nikikutaja, you just stand, wave. We'll get a chance to speak later on during the plenary after the agenda has been properly set so that you air your views as a leader. We'll have a plenary session. Mheshimiwa Samuel Arama had spoken, so no need to stand. Joseph Cheruiyot, MP Kipkelion East, you just stand and wave. Asante. Mheshimiwa Jane Kihara from Naivasha, thank you Jane. Asante, thank you for joining us. Mheshimiwa Joseph Tanui from Kuresoi South, thank you the teacher. Asante. Mheshimiwa Samuel Gashobe from Subukia, asante Gashobe for joining us. Mheshimiwa Alfred Mutai from Kuresoi North, thank you Alfred. Mheshimiwa Kakuta Ole Maimai from Kajiado East, thank you Kakuta for joining us. Mheshimiwa David Ole Sankok, member for Yala East Africa, thank you. Mheshimiwa Gabriel Tongoyo from Narok West, thank you. It's our chairperson for security committee. Mheshimiwa Jane Kagiri from Laikipia County, thank you Jane. Mheshimiwa Irene Joki from Bahati, where are you Irene? Asante, thank you. Agnes Pareyo, Mheshimiwa Narok North, thank you Agnes for joining us. Mheshimiwa Senator Jackson Mandago from Uasin Gishu, where are you Jackma? Asante, thank you for joining us. Mheshimiwa Nelson Koech from Belgut, thank you Nelson. Mheshimiwa Hilary Kosgei from Kipkelion East, oh West, sorry West, sorry, yeah, thank you Hilary. George Sunguya, Kajiado West, thank you Mheshimiwa for joining us. Lynette Toto from Bomet, asante. Honorable Beatrice Kemei, our women MP from Kericho, asante Beatrice, thank you for joining us. The Honorable Jackson Kosgei, nominated MP, thank you, asante Mheshimiwa. Mheshimiwa CP Ruto from Keses, where are you? Asante, asante CP Ruto. The Honorable Joshua Kandie, Baringo Yakati, asante Joshua. The Honorable David Gikaria from neighboring constituency, thank you, asante Gigs. The Honorable Washira Karani, all the way from Laikipia, thank you. Is there any member of parliament to Mesao? So many. Okay, just stand, I'll try and recognize. That's Mheshimiwa Makilab from Baringo North. Weka mkono juu ili wakujue. Thank you. Next to him is a women MP from Narok constituency. Oh, Rebecca Tonke. No, I was just saying, okay. I wanted to say your name. Aya. Next, Rongai MP, Mamba. Good. Moiben. Soi. Naona sasa hii ni kazi ya ichungwa mimi nafanya. Wati ya from Moiben. Huyo ni KU South. At least that one I know is my MP in law. So ninajua kwa wazazi. Huyo ni Timo from Marakwet West. Huyo ni veteran chairman Meli from Tinderet. Tuanzie pale. Huyo anaitwa Victor Mandazi from Chepalungu. Next is Hilary Sigei, Senator Bomet. At least that one I know. Alafu huyo ni is amongst colleagues, long-serving public administrator. Anaitwa PC Sigei from Soti constituency. Why are you smiling? Huyo ni Marian Keitany from Aldai. Yala MP, Madam Zipora Kering. That's Mheshimiwa from Soin Sigawet. Justice Kemei. Good. I think that's it. Ferdinand Wanyonyi, ako wapi? Good. Trans Nzoia is well represented. Karibu. Thank you from Kwanza constituency. Yes. That's Mheshimiwa Yegon from Bomet East. Good. Professor Barto from Moiben. Ule ni mama county wa Trans Nzoia. Sioi, I forget. Janet CTNA from Tarbo. Ule ni Kibet Komingoi from Bureti. Uyu from Kajiado North. Mheshimiwa Ngogoyo. Bas, alafu ule tunamuita Paps. Lakini official names ni Parashina from Kajiado South. I'm used to calling him by short name Paps. Senators that are here that haven't been introduced. William Chemtudo from Baringo. I think the rest of the senators voted to Luataja. So that finishes my session, Your Excellency, of introducing all the leaders that are here with us. During the plenary session, viongozi mtapata nafasi ya kusema everything that you need to say. Thank you, Your Excellency. Asante. Thank you, Raymond.